In front of me is Tank 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by opening tab menu and looking for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is green, which means that auto rotation is on. To switch it off, click on the same shortcut. You can also go into settings and scroll down to access display. Then scroll down again and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!